limited access, wetlands in every direction, and 200 acres of newly created marsh to be surveyed. This is a perfect job for drone LiDAR. The wetlands of Southern Louisiana suffer some of the highest land loss rates in the world. Actions are underway to prevent further erosion and to restore the marsh, but progress needs to be monitored and measured. Enter the surveying and engineering firm Morris P. Hebert Inc., or MPH for short. The MPH team includes environmental regulatory specialist and UAV pilot Dakota Dagenhardt, remote sensing tech Kiley Cressionie, and project manager Stuart Babin. The team is deploying their MD LiDAR 3000DL from Microdrones across a 200-acre area of restored marsh to determine whether quantities of fill material meet design specifications. Getting in and out is the first problem to be solved, as roads are spare and often inaccessible. Dakota parks the van, sets up a GNSS base station, and assesses the project area. After finding a likely takeoff point, flight operations can begin. There's a slight breeze in the air, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. With winds below 10 miles per hour, the MD LiDAR 3000DL, with its advanced aerodynamic design, actually gains lift, saving battery power. The conditions on day 1 are perfect. On day 2, the area to be surveyed is even further away from the access road, so Airboat Freedom 2 is enlisted to serve as an observation platform, allowing Kiley to keep an eye on the drone for extended line-of-sight operations at 1,000 meters from the takeoff point. Navigating an airboat in a marshy environment is not a piece of cake, as the vehicle can get hung up on mud banks or dry patches of vegetation. Kiley and crew manage to keep free, and the drone flights proceed as planned, successfully capturing all the data. Back at the office, research and development and training coordinator Lee Drennan processes the data captured from the ND LiDAR 3000DL to confirm measurements and analysis. When post-processing is complete, among the final deliverables are an impressive LiDAR point cloud dataset and a highly detailed orthomosaic photo of the project area. Thanks to drone LiDAR, the job has come in on time, under budget, and with minimal environmental disturbance.